Starting off from the monthly time frame, I have mentioned a lot in my prior analysis that the midpoint of large candlestick bodies act as good support for prices. Steve Nissen highlights this point in his book Beyond Candlesticks. Shifting on to the daily, Xpeng just broke below its prior lower low, signaling signs of further downside. However, there are several reasons to expect prices to find good support at the $40 to $41 area. The first reason being that the midpoint of the large candlestick body on the monthly was around the low 40s. The second reason is that the 50-day exponential moving average and prior daily support is also around that area, showing that there is a confluence of factors to expect prices to bounce off of around $40. If prices can't hold $40, I believe prices can certainly dip to retest the $36 area. Moving on to the 30 minutes, prices are currently below a declining 5-day moving average and a bearish trend line. Looking at the chart, those are two strong signs favoring the bears, so I wouldn't go all in just yet. If prices can dip down to $40, I expect that to be a good buying opportunity. However, I would only start off with a small size and accumulate slowly as prices start showing signs of bottoming and a change in strength from bears to bulls. I will be posting analysis of stocks which I believe can run 30% or more on a daily basis, so if you find the content helpful, please like and subscribe. You can also follow me on StockTwits and Twitter at Unorthodox Investor.